here with Dr. Rosansky, the author of How to Live a Longer and Healthier Life. And, Doc, which is better, walking or running?
Well, James, as you well know, the best predictor of whether you'll benefit from any exercise program is whether you're going to keep doing it. And walking is much easier to maintain over your entire lifetime, way easier than running. And you don't need to walk miles. Start by just doing a 10 or 15-minute walk a day. It will produce measurable health benefits. And get this, well,
Mhm.
you know this already. Walking is much gentler on your body, on your joints, much lower chance of injury. And here's something really interesting. Runners, they get their maximum benefit from running with 2.5 hours a week. Beyond that, not shown that it does much. But walking, the more you walk, the longer you walk, the faster you walk, the health benefits are clearly there. So just start out slow and increase it, and you will be doing your body a huge favor and your brain. And unlike swimming, which I love, and cycling, they're both good exercises. Walking is weight bearing. It will keep your bones stronger. And you don't need a gym membership. You don't need any special equipment. All you need is a pair of sneakers. And my new book will detail the many benefits of walking and other forms of exercise.
Yeah. Now, if for someone who's just getting started, maybe walking 15 minutes, maybe a little too much all at once, is it okay to start by walking to the end of the street and back, and then maybe
Absolutely.
a little bit
Absolutely.
further next time? Very good.
Absolutely.
So you don't have to
Start
dive in all at once, and you can start out slow and work up your endurance, your speed, and your distance.
and know that as much as you can do, as many days a week as you can do it, as long as you can do it, and as fast as you can do it, your benefits are going to continue to increase. So just go out there, get your sneakers on, and start walking.
Very good. Thank you so much, Doc.